Introduction to grains. Grains. Small, hard, dry, and edible seeds of grasses belonging to Poaceae or Graminae family are called grains. They are also known as cereals. The three most popular and consumed grains are rice, wheat, and corn. The seeds similar to grains but not from Poaceae family are known as pseudograins. Grains are the most important staple food of the world. Grains are also used to feed animals and manufacture of alcohol and biofuel. Parts of grains. There are three parts of grains: bran, germ, and endosperm. Bran is the outer layer of seed. It contains fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins. Germ is the embryo of the plant. It is the main source of protein and fat, also contain carbohydrate, vitamins, and minerals. Endosperm is the biggest part of grain seed and rich in carbohydrates and protein. Main products of grains. Grains can be grounded to form a powdery substance called flour. Except few, all grains can be consumed as whole, for example, corn, oats, rye, etc. Pure starch can be extracted from grains for various culinary purposes like thickening and gelling agent, stabilizer and binder like corn flour, refined flour, rice flour. Grains can be cooked, flattened, and dried to form flakes, a very popular breakfast and snack item. Cornflake is the best example. Grains can also puff to form a light and fluffy snack and breakfast item, for instance, popcorns and puffed rice. They can be broken in granulated forms like porridge, cornmeal, semolina, scotch barley, broken rice, couscous, etc. Oils can also be extracted from the bran and germ of grains like rice bran oil and wheat germ oil. Grains like barley, corn, wheat are extensively used in manufacture of alcoholic drinks like beer, whiskey and vodka. Nutritional profile of grains. Main constituent of grain is carbohydrates. All grain contains 9 to 15% of protein. They are low in fat, contains both insoluble and soluble fiber. Grains also provide majority of B vitamins, contain small amount of micronutrients like zinc, iron, copper, calcium, magnesium and selenium. They are high in potassium and low in sodium. Grains also contain phytochemicals like sterol, phenolic acid, and phytic acid. Food items prepared with grains. Grains can be boiled and eaten as it is. Almost all kind of breads are made with grain. Grains are the most popular breakfast cereals. They are consumed as flakes, flattened, puffed or granulated. Cakes, cookies, muffins and majority of other bakery and patisserie products are made of grains. Grains also used for manufacture vinegar, maltodextrin, glucose and dextrose. Beer, whiskey, sake or rice wine and vodka are products of grains. Grains can be used to prepare sweet dishes like halwa, basbousa and pies etc. Pastas and noodles are products of grain flours only. Grains are used to prepare syrups like corn syrup, glucose syrup, malt syrup, rice syrup, etc. Health drinks and infant food are also prepared by grains. Examples of grains: barley, corn, millet, oats, rice, rye, sorghum, teff, triticale, wheat, wild rice are the most common grain examples. Pseudograins. They are not the seeds of grass family. They do not have any gluten, so safe for people allergic to gluten and suffering from celiac disease. In comparison to grains, they have more proteins. They are rich in B vitamins and iron, can be used to prepare breads, pancakes, bakery products, sweets, etc. Examples of pseudograins: buckwheat, amaranth, quinoa, chia. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe. The objective of this video is to disseminate knowledge.